Ryko's Rocket Conveyor is a full-line, state-of-the-art conveyor equipment package offering tremendous throughput and wash quality. The Rocket Conveyor is ideal for high-volume sites and offers full electronic integration, better value, higher throughput, and superior cleaning options. The Rocket Conveyor system is perfect for high-volume sites with either its longer conveyor or its compact rocket offering, ideal for those locations where the amount of space that the conveyor will be put on is limited. The Rocket Conveyor system is equipped with a heavy-duty in-ground over-under conveyor. This conveyor smoothly moves the vehicle through the wash. The speed of the conveyor is adjustable, allowing the operator the flexibility to control the wash throughput. Guide rails and a roller correlator aid the customer in getting onto the conveyor. The Rocket Conveyor can be configured to fit almost any site and can include a host of cleaning equipment and accessories that will help maximize a car wash site's potential upgrade and profit potential. One of the most important components and an exclusive feature to Ryko's Rocket Conveyor is the Foam Bright Wash System. This system detects the style of vehicle being washed, whether it is a truck, SUV, van, or sedan. It helps provide a high-quality and safe wash for all types of vehicles. Some of the more important components of a typical Rocket Conveyor system include the top brush, tall side washers, and rocker panel washers. The top brush is equipped with Foam Bright wash material and is an effective way to clean up the front, top, and rear of a vehicle. The top brush helps eliminate bugs and debris present on the front of a vehicle. The tall side washers enable the Rocket system to provide thorough side wash coverage for varying vehicle sizes, from compact cars to large pickups and SUVs. The tall side washers are equipped with Foam Bright wash material, ensuring superior cleaning results on the hard-to-clean sides of all vehicles. The rocker panel washers are designed to wash the lower portion of a vehicle. The rocker brushes will help eliminate the heavy buildup of dirt and grime found on the rocker panels. Equipped with Foam Bright wash material, the rocker panel washers will help provide a high quality and safe wash to vehicles as they go through the Rocket Conveyor. A Rocket Conveyor system can also be equipped with many unique options to further enhance the cleaning process. Pivoting wheel blasters direct powerful jets of water at the wheel and tires to remove dirt and brake dust from all types of wheels. The pivoting design and focused water pressure provide the ultimate clean. The foaming tire chemical sprayer increases the overall diameter of spray and amount of foaming action applied to the tires of a vehicle. The foaming tire chemical sprayer ensures complete coverage of both the front and rear wheels of a vehicle. Rinse arches provide complete chemical coverage of any type of vehicle, no matter what shape or size. The newly designed look gives the bay a more spacious and updated appearance. The Ryko rain curtain provides a thorough rinse and an added show for the customer. The full curtain douses the entire vehicle with water or chemical application, providing a more thorough rinse and an enhanced wash experience. The Thrust Pro freestanding dryer performs as one of the best dryers on the market today. As the vehicle passes through, the Thrust Pro's unique top follower adjusts to the vehicle's contours by simply using a cushion of air. Then, the follower remains at its highest position to prevent vehicle-machine contact. Customers will appreciate the Rocket Conveyor's convenience and wash quality. With its increased throughput, operators will appreciate the profit potential and convenience that come from operating a Rocket Conveyor system. With a Rocket Conveyor, all